It's like, sorry.
Hey, buddy, what a good boy.
He stepped on my
There you go.
Good
You
one.
got one.
Yep.
I want another guess. I want that Pussy Goose to say, I gotta go.
You can headbutt him. That's how he says he likes you.
Poor little fish. He ate one. I missed him eat one.
Yep.
Dang it. He just ate. No, he didn't.
Good boy.
I see it. Oh.
You can see the
Did he
bubbles
get it?
from
You
his
got
mouth. He wants to do it himself.
I want the fishies.
Come on, Dad, I'm independent too.
Did he get another one?
Yep.
Yeah.
Got one.
He curled up in his paw.
Oh, I couldn't get that on tape.
Couldn't.
Oh my god.
That is the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. I knew they had a great bond, but I had no idea. She's rubbing his back.
He's got his bitches in line.
Ooh, he's so cool.
That was a pretty cool.
Oh.
Look at his tail.
Look at that, she's looking under the couch for something.
Hmm.